If you subscribe to Grok AI and you don't cancel on time, you might get charged again automatically. So in this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to cancel your Grok subscription before that happens. Also, if you haven't seen how to get Grok at a cheaper price or even free, check the link in the description after this video. So before I dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for business owners. I help businesses build brands people remember and buy from. And in this channel, I share content, branding, visibility, AI, and business growth tutorials. If these are things that interest you, stick around by subscribing to this channel. Now let's dive in. The first method to cancel your subscription is by going to Play Store or your App Store. Alright? So now what we're going to do here, we go to your Play Store. The first thing you do here is click on this icon. So you click on it. So you take it to this part. All you have to do is look for where you see payment and subscriptions. Look at it here. Click on payment and subscriptions. So you scroll down to where you have subscriptions. Click on it. So all the active subscriptions that you have will show here. Okay. Now we're going to locate where you have Grok AI. That particular app that you want to cancel. Locate it here on the Play Store. So you're going to see this is Grok here. This is next payment is this so date. So all you have to do is click on it. So you click on it. This is where you have cancel subscription. Got it. You can cancel your subscription here on Grok. So you just click on cancel subscription, and it will give you it brings out an option for you to let's say select what your reasons here, your reasons for canceling your subscription. Just click on what you feel is best, then proceed to cancel your subscription. So now let's move on to the next method. So the next method of canceling your subscription is in Grok itself. So you go to the Grok application, you click on this place. This is where you have these 2 lines. Click on it. Then you see this place where you have Super Grok and settings. Super Grok settings. So you click on these settings. So you scroll down and look for where you have the subscription. See it here. Manage, active, Super Grok active. So you click on it. When you click on it, you see cancel subscription. Upgrade or downgrade plan. Our business here is to cancel subscription. So you click on cancel subscription. If you take it to that Play Store interface, okay, the same Play Store. So you click on subscription. So you can just fill in, look at it. It said this is just cancelled at the end of the billing period of so after these dates. These are the things that are said about this cancellation process. Then it says select a reason for canceling. You can actually select anyone that relates to what you want. You can say decline to answer. Anyone, you can just decline. Just something that they just want you to fill. Okay. So you have different options here. We have keep subscription and also have cancel subscription. So yeah, you have the choice of either continue with the subscription. So when you get to that particular date, they deduct a certain amount from your account. Okay, but you can cancel it directly. All you have to do is click on cancel subscription. See, subscription will be cancelled. Your subscription will so and so do this, but it has been cancelled. This is resubscribe. As I think it's resubscribe here, it means that the subscription has been cancelled. Okay. So that is it for how to cancel your Grok subscription. So just for confirmation, you can go to your App Store, even your Grok itself. This is your App Store. You just click on this place where we clicked before. Come back to look for the payment and subscription. Then close to subscriptions. Then look at it here, cancelled. It is still active because it has not. It's still on the free trial period. So once it ends, you will not resubscribe again. So this is show that your subscription is cancelled, so they will not automatically deduct money from your account. Cancelled. Okay, so this is it. So you can also confirm this in your Grok. Just follow the same process. Click on these 2 lines here. Click on the settings and scroll down to where you have the subscription. Look at it. It's still active because you are still on free trial. That's why it should be showing you active. So cancel subscription. So take us to this Play Store interface. Look at it. Cancelled. Look at it here. Okay, so this is how you can confirm that you've cancelled your subscription on Grok. And this doesn't only work for Grok. You can use the same method to cancel subscriptions on other apps too. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing more simple AI tutorials like this. And if you want to learn more about AI tools and how to actually use them to make money or create content, you can join my AI community. The link is in the description. See you in my next video.